Is your DoorDash app stuck on the starting screen? You're not alone. This issue usually happens because of a few common problems: too much cached data, not enough storage space on your device, or software glitches. The app stores temporary data called cache to load faster, but if this cache gets overloaded or corrupted, it can freeze the app. Similarly, if your phone is running low on storage, less than 500 megabytes free, DoorDash might not be able to update or write new data, causing it to get stuck. Software glitches can also cause this, especially on older devices. A recent DoorDash update, version 5.8.1, aimed to fix these issues, but they can still occur. The good news is, there are simple steps you can take to fix it. First, force stop the DoorDash app and clear its cache. You can do this in your phone's settings under Apps or Application Manager. Clearing the cache removes temporary data without deleting your personal information. Second, check your device's storage. If you're running low, delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up at least 500 megabytes. Finally, if clearing the cache and freeing up space doesn't work, try reinstalling the DoorDash app. This removes all local data and installs the latest version, often resolving persistent issues. Always back up important data before reinstalling. If the problem continues after these steps, contact DoorDash support for further assistance.